So that's it. That's our Kikoro Shinomiya and also Kaiju number 8 right here. And I hope that they will also have a figurized standard of the main character. This is not the main character Kaiju number 8, but Kafka Hibino. Yeah, the alter ego of Kaiju number 8. So yeah, so that's it. So that's our unleashing of our Kaiju number 8 kits, the figurized standard of Kaiju number 8 and Kikoro Shinomiya. Okay? So it's not Gundam, it's not Gunpla, it's not robot, but still it's part of the Plamo, and this not the first one humanoid kind of kits that I have, but still it's a very nice kit right here, and maybe I will give them a priority because they are really nice, man. They're really nice. Okay, and yeah, I really want to have them on my shelf already, and they are big. I think they are on the height of an MG or a